AI is coming for your job, or is it? What if India is going to lose jobs due to a lack of skills? The race is on, and the clock is ticking. Artificial intelligence is changing the world fast. From automation to machine learning, and the global economy is shifting toward AI-powered solutions. But here's the big question: is India prepared for the AI-driven future of work? Hi everyone. Welcome back to Turalytics. Today, we dive into a critical topic: why India must urgently upskill its workforce to keep pace with the AI revolution. Let's unpack the key findings from a major new report by Google.org and the Asian Development Bank. What's really happening? Everyone's talking about job loss. But is AI actually killing jobs or changing which jobs matter? According to McKinsey, over 60% of tasks in many jobs could be automated. But that doesn't mean jobs disappear, it means roles evolve. India needs to prepare for new AI-powered jobs that didn't exist 3 years ago, like prompt engineers, data annotators, AI process supervisors, AI integration specialists in manufacturing and retail. The AI opportunity. According to the 2024 report, AI for All, Building an AI-ready workforce in Asia-Pacific, AI could contribute up to $3 trillion to the Asia-Pacific region's GDP by 2030, Google.org and ADB, 2024. India, with one of the youngest and largest populations in the world, holds the potential to be at the center of this transformation. But there's a catch: the inequality risk. Why is India at risk? With the world's youngest workforce, why is India falling behind? Only 16% of Indian graduates are considered employable for AI roles today. Meanwhile, companies in the US, China, and Europe are upskilling at 5x the speed. Without action, India could lose the global AI opportunity. The report warns that without inclusive skilling, AI adoption could widen the inequality gap. Administrative roles like data entry and customer service, often performed by underserved groups, including women and informal workers, are already at high risk of automation. Many of these jobs exist in sectors like textiles, logistics, and manufacturing. As AI systems become smarter, these roles may disappear, leaving millions unemployed without the right skills to transition. What opportunities will exist for the millions engaged in labor-intensive AI training once automation takes over? Kelly Forbes, AI Asia Pacific Institute. Skills gap and education disconnect. Here's another concern. There's a growing disconnect between what's being taught and what companies need. A Times of India report cited in the study found that only 10% of engineering graduates are expected to find employment in 2024. That's from 1.5 million graduates. Times of India, 2024. Today's employers demand critical thinking, adaptability, and AI tool fluency, not just traditional degrees. The informal workforce and digital divide. India also has a massive informal workforce, from packaging workers to delivery drivers, most of whom lack job security or access to training. Compounding the issue, many in rural areas still lack basic digital access. Without smartphones or internet connectivity, AI skilling becomes a distant dream. Gender and workforce participation. Women represent 35% of India's workforce, yet are overrepresented in jobs most vulnerable to automation. Family obligations and limited access to re-entry support mean many women are left behind. The report recommends flexible, contextual skilling programs for women, especially mothers returning to work. 5 ways India can build an AI-ready workforce. Let's now look at 5 urgent solutions recommended in the report. 1. Tailored skilling for diverse groups. Customized training for students, informal workers, elderly, women, low literacy populations. 2. Focus on practical training. 40% of respondents across Asia Pacific prefer real-world AI training over theoretical knowledge. 3. Awareness campaigns. Only 15% of Asia Pacific workers have joined any AI skilling program. This number is even lower in India. 4. Support for MSME. Over 90% of Indian businesses are MSMEs, but most lack AI resources. They need government and private sector support to upskill. 5. Bridge gender gaps and digital access. Without focused investment, AI could deepen digital and gender divides. The report urges multilingual, accessible, and gender-sensitive programs. The way forward. There's hope. Programs like Grow with Google have trained 60 million people in Asia Pacific. The AI Opportunity Fund, launched in 2024, aims to train 500,000 plus workers in the region through NGO and education partnerships. How can you upskill fast? Forget 2-year, 3-year, and 4-year degrees. Here's how smart people are learning AI in 2025. YouTube tutorials plus hands-on projects. Micro-certifications from Coursera, Google, Microsoft. Learn to build plus explain, not just code. Build an AI project that solves a real-world business problem that makes your resume more stronger. India has the talent. India has the numbers. What we need is speed. If we don't upskill now, we risk becoming the backend, not the brain of the AI revolution. India stands at a crossroads: lead the AI revolution, or be left behind. Upskill now. The message is clear. Upskill now. Share to your friend who needs to hear this. Hit like if you believe India must lead in AI. And subscribe for more future-ready insights. Comment below, what skills do you think India needs most right now?